Hi, today I'm going to show you the module which is AirCall, which I have recently developed. So I'm going to start by the installation. Let me choose the module file. Uh, Let me choose it and then press the install button. Display I am already logged into my Perfect admin panel. So here you can see it has been successfully added. Now I am going to activate that module. Now it's a first version, so limited small functionality is available in the module, but in near future more features will be added soon. After installation you can see the air call menu will be added in the left panel over here. Now here you have to add your air call API key and app ID, which I have get from my air, air call dashboard. Let me open this. Here you can see my air call dashboard. Once you logged in, you will have to go to your account, and then over here you have to select API key. As you can see, I have already generated an API key and token, so I have already added over here, but you have to generate the new one by doing something like that, clicking on the API key. Once you click on the plus button on the add API key, you will see your app ID and API token. You have to take a screenshot of that or have to copy it, because once you created it, it will be wiped out. Here you can see the new one is also created over here, but I'm just using my own one which I have already created. So make sure you have two fields, API key or and the second one is app ID. Make sure you have to add the appropriate key and app ID in the specified fields. If you added it wrongly, then you will see errors. So make sure you added it correctly. Now I am going to click on the air call list. Here you can see basically it is getting the list of calls which I have made from my air call account, and it provide me all the information as well related to call. Right now currently I do not have any recording available for the any call, but once you have the recording available, it will be visible over here. Let me create a dummy call to show you how the icons will be shown over here. Let me reload. Here you can see for this specific call I have added a dummy recording URL, but once there is once from the air call side the actual recording is available, these two icons will be available for a specific call. Basically this button will play the specific recording if available, and from this delete option you can delete the recording from Perfect's dashboard as well. You don't need to go to air call dashboard to delete the recording, and you can even play the recording from here. Furthermore, you can, if you want to see the details of specific call, you can click on any call and you can see the details as well. And for all the calls, as soon as your agents or users created tags for the calls after making calls, those tags will be available or visible here in the tag section. and as your users add comments for each call, those comments will appear over here. So right now this is the limited functionality so far available for this module, but in future we will add more features to this module. I hope you like that. Thank you.